that old?
Three artificial intelligence tools analyzed the same face, but they gave three completely different answers. Which of the tools was telling the truth? So stay with me. So a few weeks back, my 9 to 5 contract, I was so stressed. And then I realized that my skin stopped looking like me. In today's case 1001, we are going to compare three AIs: L'Oreal, Skin Cup Analysis, ChatGPT, whatever, against traditional knowledge and science. Which of these is going to analyze my skin and give me a solution to my dull skin issue or problem? Every investigation starts with a clue. Let's gather the evidence. So I started with the almighty ChatGPT, and the biggest area for improvement was my skin moisture. I scored low on that. My skin was really dehydrated, and I had some uneven skin tone. Next, I tried L'Oreal AI skin analysis, and it gave me a pretty good score. Only that uh, the issue that it had was my skin's firmness and then pores. My pores were enlarged. Before I give you the final report, let me start with my dehydration. Like, let me apply this serum on my face before I give you the final report. Yeah, if it's like this, it means you have to reposition your face. Finally, uploaded the same photo on ChatGPT, and it gave me this result. next AI. Maybe the next AI. Am I that old? AI said I am 40. The final AI is perfect corp skin analysis. I analyzed my skin twice using this app. The first one had my correct, almost correct age, and then I tried it again, and the AI said I am 48 years old. Wow. Ooh. Please comment below if I am 48. Please comment below if I look 48.